Do you know her? Excuse me? Do you know her? Yeah. What's up, beauties? Welcome back to the channel. Look, girl, we got a new look. Yes, honey, it is me, it is she, it is her. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait to share the details of this wig with you guys. I got this wig from RPGSHOW, and listen, if you are a busy mom like myself and you're looking for a glueless wig that is easy but still looks amazing, honey, then this video is going to be for you, okay? So without further ado, let's hop right into the details so I can show you exactly how to get into her, okay? All right, let's go.
First off, the packaging is stunning. As always, RPGSHOW delivers luxury right from the jump. The wig comes in this sleek branded bag and it feels premium and travel friendly. Inside the bag, we've got our signature black RPGSHOW box. It's clean, it's chic, it's sturdy, and definitely something you can reuse to store your wig in safely. Once you open the box, the wig is beautifully protected with a net, keeping the hair in place and tangle-free. I'll go into some juicy details of the wig in just a second, but let's take a look at what comes inside of the box. So first thing you'll see is the flyaway stick. If you've ever struggled with those stubborn little frizzies at the top, this right here will be your new best friend. It's perfect for that sleek, polished look. Now these little blue tools are wig placement markers, so if you want to customize your part or you need help laying out an even section, these are very helpful for that, especially if you are a beginner like myself. Then we have the RPGSHOW melting band, and even though this is a glueless wig, a melting band will help train the lace to lay flat and melt into your skin beautifully, giving you that ultra natural finish. They also included a thank you card, which is just a nice little touch that makes the unboxing experience feel more personal. You'll also get a wig cap, which I always appreciate. And finally, there's a wig travel bag, which is super convenient for keeping your unit safe, especially when you're like traveling and on the go and you want to pack light. Okay, now let's talk about the star of the show, the wig. This is a short bob with bottleneck bangs. It has a Maxipart, is a 10x6 glueless Swiss lace closure. It's 100% human hair, so you can get this wig in a 10 or a 12 inch, and the density is 180%. The lace is tinted transparent in the color light brown, which blends beautifully with many complexions. What I love most about this wig is its updated cap construction. It's called a 3D Glueless Max. It's designed to give you a maximum parting space, so if you want a side part, you can do that flawlessly. So inside the cap, there's a drawstring feature so that you can customize the fit to your head. It also has a built-in adjustable elastic band for extra security. So again, no glue needed. One of my favorite details are these Velcro clips, which are removable. So if you don't need an extra grip or you're protecting your edges, you can just take them right out. And in my opinion, this is the best feature that this wig has to me. It is a pre-cut lace in a natural C shape around the ears, so it lays flat and hugs your hairline effortlessly. I am a beginner, so that means that when I get ready to style this wig, it really is going to be beginner friendly, okay? This install, you guys, is about to be so easy. I'm so excited. It's perfect for busy moms or anyone dealing with thinning, postpartum shedding, or alopecia like myself. Glueless wigs like these are just a game changer when it comes to wanting to feel more confident and radiant without compromising your hairline or your time, girls. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into her.
All right, beauties. So this is the wig. Now we're going to put it on. Time for the moment of truth. I went ahead and cut all the blonde off of my hair because I'm not going to be dyeing my hair anymore. So I want to really get into my unit era, and I was just like, let's just go ahead and cut all that color off since we're going to be getting our new units. So I'm really excited about this, and now I'm just going to pop it on. I haven't cut the lace or anything, so we're going to pop it on. Ooh, oh my goodness, girl, I look like a new woman already. Okay, I still have to curl it. This is how it looks just right out of the pack. And one of the things that I do love is that the ears are already cut here, so it fits perfectly to your ears and you don't have to cut the lace around the ears. And for me, I feel like that is such a benefit to this wig because you know, I'm still a beginner when it comes to my wigs. So as far as like cutting and things like that, you know, it's not my forte. So this is very beginner friendly. If you are a mom and you want a wig that is beginner friendly, easy on the go, ready to wear, you could just pop it on whenever you are wanting to look cute, or, you know, just something easy, you know, to do, because as a mom, you know, you really don't have time to, a lot of the times, to fuss with hair. One of the things that I also love is that it comes with a drawstring in the back, like I showed you. So we're going to just pull that tight. I did take the clips out because I'm not going to wear the ball cap because I'm already bald, and I'm just going to pull this down the front just a little bit. Now, I'm not a middle part girl, so we'll see how this looks once I get it all the way on. Now, once you get it tightened, you can just tuck in the string in the back like that, okay? So this is how it looks right out of the pack. And as you can see, the lace is already like, hello, look at that. So, okay, let's go ahead and cut it. I have these shears here that kind of have like an edge like that. So I'm going to cut it in the center first. You guys, I'm not the best at cutting lace. I really don't know much about cutting lace. Actually, I think I want to cut it with this. I have these two clips here that I'm going to clip the hair back while I cut the front of the lace. Now, cutting the hairline is probably going to be a lot easier than having to cut over the ears, because when I see people having to cut over their ears, I'm like, how do you know how much to cut? Well, this takes the guesswork out of it and makes it super easy. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I'm already brand new, honey. I'm already brand new. Wow. Yes. Okay. Okay, so this unit is glueless, so you don't need any glue for it to lay down. So it's gonna lay down flat like that. And I mean, you guys, look at that. Look at that. This is no glue, no glue. Look, oh, no glue, look. And if you wanna do a little tuck, you can. So I'll probably smooth that down like that. I like a real natural hairline. You know, I'm not a baby hair kind of girl. She don't like baby hairs. But okay, so we got this. Now let's curl her up a little bit. She needs a little something something. I'm trying to work with this middle part. Girl, not that far down, girl. We're gonna add some curls to it, and I think I want to try to do a little side part. Let's see. But that's one of the good things about this unit. The whole frontal is lace, so if you want to change your part, you can. I ordered an electric hot comb, but it's not here, so we're just gonna have to make it work with the, we'll make it work with the flat iron. They gave me a wax stick. Let me go get the wax stick and see if the wax stick will help me with it to lay down right here. Again, you guys, I'm a beginner, so I'm still learning how to do my units. This already feels more like me. And if you want to tuck, you give a little tuck. Okay, so I have this flyaway tamer that I showed you. So I don't have another waxing stick, so I'm gonna use this and hopefully that will work. And we're just going to go like that. I don't know if it's gonna work, guys. I'm may have to wash it to get it over there. Nah, but it did give that little bump though. But let's go ahead and give the girl what she's asking for. The girl wants a bust down, so we'll give her that. Once I wash her, I'll be able to do my side part. But I do like how I did that. So how did I do that? Let's do this on that side. I did take the band off. So maybe if I put the band off down on, that'll make it tighter. Nope, that's not how I want it to curl. I haven't curled a wig in forever. Like, I don't even know which way she should go. There we go. Put a little heat on her so she can move how she needs to move. My kids are gonna be so excited when they see me because they have been telling me, Mom, we want your long hair back. We want your long hair back. So especially my middle daughter, she really likes me with longer hair. And then when they see pictures of me with longer hair, they're like, oh, Mom, I want your long hair back. I'm like, this is what we're doing right now. We're doing this. They're gonna be so shocked. I'm shocked. If I have any girls that wear units in the comments, please let me know how to curl this. I'm gonna look at a few YouTube videos as well, but if you are a wig girly, can you please let me know how to curl the front of this? Because I know you're probably looking at this cringing like, what is this girl doing? Why is she curling this wig like this? Because I don't know what I'm doing, girl. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's do a little hair flip test. Okay. Look at that. There's the lace. But you literally cannot see it. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love it. I love the way it looks. It really was so easy to put on. If you are looking for an easy look like this, make sure you go over to RPGSHOW and cop you one of these wigs, girl. I'm telling you, the fact that I can put this on in 5 minutes and look put together, you know, I can put it on while my toddler is sleeping. I can put it on right before, you know, the chaos starts of getting out of the door. Just go ahead and put my wig on. You can pre-style it, but it's so simple. It's so easy. Love the fact that it's glueless. I might cut that just a little bit more, but as you can see, very natural if you want to do a little tuck. And again, like as a military wife, you know, I really don't have 45 minutes all the time to do my hair, so I really need something that's simple and on the go, and this is definitely the perfect look for me. I'm super excited. My husband is on deployment, so I cannot wait to send him this look to see what he thinks. So you know I looked out for you. I have a coupon code for you right here. Make sure you use this coupon code if you want to get $110 off of your order. That's over $450. You get $110 off, girl, if you use this code. So make sure you use this code. The link will be down below in the description box. If you like this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave some comments down below if you know, give me some tips. Give me some tips. Make sure you leave some comments down below if you have any tips on how I should style it, or if you want to see the side part, you know, opposed to the middle part bust down, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll make sure that I am communicating with you. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel to become a beauty, because we will be dibbling and dabbling in a little bit more self-care things for, you know, to make us feel put together. We're moms, we're busy, we're wives, but at the same time, we still can shine light on self-care while embracing this journey of being a wife and a mom, and that's what this channel is all about. So make sure you become a beauty honey, okay? But all right, beautiful, until next time, I will see you later. Bye.